Every user in Workdeck has a task board to manage their work. From the Work module, select the My Tasks option, and you will see a default Kanban with your tasks. You will automatically see all your assigned tasks. But you can choose to see the tasks on a project-by-project basis. At the top right, you have the possibility to see the tasks in a list format, and even add new columns to the Kanban. Remember that you can move the boxes to indicate the phase in which your task is. With the plus button, which appears in each column, you can create new tasks and associate them with already implemented projects. Each box represents a task where you can quickly view the closing date and the members. At the same time, you will be able to identify if the task has risks, attached files, and/or comments. The timer button will be used to indicate that you have started working on a task. It is a countdown that, once finished, will be synchronized with the Gantt and the calendar. We will explain this in detail in Tutorial 7. When there is 1 minute left, an alarm will sound to alert you that the working time is about to end. You can choose to extend the timer or stop it. The 3 dots in the box allow you to finish, edit, duplicate, or delete the task. Remember that the changes you make to your tasks will always be reflected in the Gantt and in the calendar. By clicking on the title of the task, you access the detailed information of what you see in the box. In this section, you can also add new participants, comments, mention task members, see a list of pending tasks, risks, and attachments will be accessible. If you make changes, don't forget to save them. Done. This is how tasks are managed with the Kanban chart.